Hello, my name's Kim Eades. I'm the carpenter instructor here at Fayette Institute of Technology. This is house 25. We've built 25 houses with the carpenter program, masonry program, and now we have HVAC, and we also have a plumbing program and electrical that helps build the houses. We build it with all high school students, do all the work ourselves. This particular home we started several years ago, and we didn't have a house plan for it, but we had a foundation. So we took the foundation that we had and we came up with a plan together through some planning between me and Mr. Fisher, Mr. Chapman, and some of the others, and came up with this design for the house. This is the deck that we built on the back. It's got 6x6 posts, all concrete down to below the frost level in the house. It's got the plastic balusters and handrails and all that stuff to keep it looking nice, and I think it trimmed out good with the white, matched the windows and the doors and all the trim. We're getting ready to walk up on the fire pit that we put in. We also got training in that. Putting the brick pavers around in a circle is something a little different for the kids to learn how to do, and us instructors also. Okay, this is the grade wall that we installed. This used to be just a hillside that went up there to the edge of the road, and it was real steep, so we did the training of putting the grade wall up and getting it all set up, and then we backfilled that and made it look a lot better and made that property more usable. You go into the garage area, so this is where you drive your cars in and park. We do have a lot of building material out here too still yet. Again, we're in the building stage. This area, we're not sure what this would be called. Kind of what I would think I would use it for is a mother-in-law suite. So if you had, you know, an elderly person you wanted to take care of or whatever, you could actually fix this space up for them because it has its bathroom in it, and it has a utility room down here, and you have water access and all that. This is part of the plumbing system in the house. This is a manifold unit, so all the water, hot and cold, come to this unit, and then it separates out on its own line. So each individual commode, sink, lavatory, kitchen sink, things like that have its own valve and its own system to be cut off and on, and you can work on it as you want, which is a little different than in most homes. And right now we are working on the stairs, so it's in the process. We're actually setting the post and rail system for the stairwell. We've got some oak posts here. They're pretty expensive, and I was a little nervous about cutting them. We don't have a dining table in it. This is just a work table, but you could put a table here. It's got a pretty nice view with the double windows in it. And we kind of wanted a little bit of an open concept, so if you look back to my left, you'll see that we've got two big wide openings going into the living room. You're going to have a dishwasher here, sink top, oven, and refrigerator. This is the first bedroom in the house. It could be a child's bedroom, or you could make it an adult bedroom, it doesn't matter. Got pretty big closets in it, nice roomy closets. We don't have the shelving and stuff in them yet, but it makes for a pretty nice sized bedroom. And we put windows on that side of the house, but for privacy issues, we put them up high, and those do not open. Here you've got a bathroom on this side, and again we went with the black cabinets. We've got the cultured look vanity top and lighted vanities above it. Got a bathtub, shower combo. This, of course, would probably be a kid's bedroom, I believe. A little bit smaller, same kind of setup, same style closet, same style windows set up in here. Going into the master bedroom now. We still have to put the framing around the windows in this area, but it's a pretty nice size master. You could put a king or queen size bed in here and still have plenty of room for dressers and everything. You also have a bathroom right off of the master suite, I would call it. A little bit larger vanity, commode over here, same type of mirror. Got a nice sized deck out here, as you can see. The afternoon sun comes on it really well. We'll take you out and let you overlook onto the fire pit. So one of the things we did on the house is we tried to stick with a theme of like the curve in the windows and things like that. So then we also decided to do that with the brickwork. So if you look, you've got an arch in it, and then you've got the basket weave bricklaying inside it in the different colors of brick that actually trim out this area, but also they trim out the sides of the windows, so that keeps you from having to put on shutters and things like that on the side of the home for decoration. They're already bricked like that, and it makes them look a little different and fixed up.